Hello everyone and welcome to Art Platter. Today we are going to make small mini canvas acrylic painting, and today I am going to show you painting of Ganpati. Since Ganpati Puja is on the corner, so I have decided to do 3 canvas painting. So for this you required some bright acrylic colors and canvas. You can take any size, but I prefer to use mini canvas, and it is easily available in the market and also online. One palette knife, some tissue papers, talcum powder, and this is shilpkar. This we'll do at the end, and white and black acrylic colors, paint brushes and water. So first step is we will moist the canvas with some water so that color blends easily. And if there is some extra water on the canvas, you can just soak it with a tissue paper. So what I have done for the colors, I have already taken it in the color palette, as you can see it. So it becomes easy with the palette knife. We can easily apply it. So let's get started. Let's start with the first base. First we'll do the base painting. For this I am using all these bright colors, like I am using pink, red, yellow, blue and green, and you can also use any color of your choice. So I'll take some color, acrylic color on the knife, and I'll just apply it like this. Some tissue paper to clean the extra color, and now I'm using next color. I'm just mixing it wherever I feel. Next I am using yellow. Now I am using some red. Some pink, so I'll make all these 3 canvas base something like this. So I'm doing this on the 3rd canvas also. Again I'm using the colors wherever I feel. You can do according to your choice. The palette knife which I am using is of number 1 because the canvas is really small, so that is why I am using number 1. You can use it according to the canvas size. So here I feel some yellow is missing, so again I am using some yellow just to highlight. So all my 3 mini canvas are ready. The base is ready. So we'll just let it dry. So now what we are going to do is, for the next step, we are using the shilpkar. This is from Fevicryl, and it is easily available in any stationery shop. So for this you require talcum powder also and some Fevicol to stick it, so that it sticks well on the canvas. So when we open it, we get these two kind of packing. We have to mix these both. This clay is very easy to use and it is air dry. So we'll open this. So we are mixing the clay and now it looks like this. So we'll use it on our canvas. We'll make Ganpati with this, and after that, after drying, we'll color it. So now one of my canvas is dried up, and now I'm going to draw Ganpati's image on the canvas with the help of a marker. I've selected these 3 designs. You can also search it on the net and you will get many of these kind of drawings. So I have selected these 3 and now I'm going to draw all these 3 on the canvas. So once I've drawn the Ganpati on the canvas, now I'll use clay for this, and I'll just do the outline with help of the shilpkar clay. So I'll stick it with help of glue. You can use Fevicol or any other glue which is available to you. Just doing the outline with Fevicol, or side by side you can also fix the clay. But this is one of the methods. You can do it in a faster way. So I'll fix the clay on this. I'm going to fix it. So once we have applied the shilpkar on the canvas, it will look like this. Now what we'll do is we'll wait to get it dried, and then we'll color it with white. So I think it is dry now, and we will paint it white. We will be doing 2 coating of white color. So I think it is dry now and we have colored it white. It will look like this, the final look, and it is ready for gifting also, or you can place it at your home. So I have these mini easels also. We'll just place it and see how it looks. So all three looks like this. I hope you like the video. So do subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching.